Hey y'all, this is Ryan here. Just got this V10 Tdi Touareg. Was curious if anyone knows what this noise is. I doubt it, but it sounds like when I'm putting it in gear, sounds like one of the sounds like maybe the torque converter. I'm not really sure, but wanted to show y'all. At 120k, it's in immaculate shape. Again, the buttons obviously, that's nothing big, but I just got it about 2 days ago, and again, I'm a mechanic, so it sounds like a torque converter. It's a very faint rubbing and or grinding noise. It's so hard to hear. There you go, it's a little bit better there. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just kind of wondering. It's at idle. But here, let me take you on a quick spin. Quick spin here. See, it goes away. But when I stop, again, I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds like something's loading up. When I let off the brake, it's fine. Even move forward a little bit, it goes away. But again, it sounds like either something is sticking or I really don't know. But if anybody has any information, let me know. This car was kept immaculate by a doctor. I literally one owner since '04. Literally had everything done at intervals, but I don't know. That bothers me. Let me know if y'all can know anything about it. Apparently, some people say it's normal. Some people say that doesn't sound right. But I mean, it's a pretty niche car, so. Yeah, it's so faint. Anyway, if y'all know anything about it, let me know. Otherwise, I'll give a follow-up after this.